here?
Yeah. You're not from around here, are you?
I'm visiting with my dad.
Oh, your dad.
He's a cop. Gun! Do you really think I'm wrong not marrying Jason?
Look, as your captain.
No, Frank. I mean as a man, a father.
What do I know? I have 3 sons. And that only took 3 minutes. Secure the crime scene, get a door seal.
I got it, Captain.
Take a walk. Your snitch gave you the wrong info. That yo-yo up there had a gun. The next time you give me bad information, your ass will be writing parking tickets in Far Rockaway. Now get out of here.
Captain Cardelli, Kevin O'Neill, Mayor's office.
What can I do for you?
How's the sweep going?
Very well. This raid just netted the top 3 operatives of the entire West Side stolen goods ring.
So, can the mayor report that this initiative is successful far beyond original estimates?
He could say that, if people really talk like that. Look, you have to go to the public information office if you want any quotes.
Okay, thank you. Detective Fye, isn't it? You're starting to get a lot of good ink. That's good. The mayor's numbers with women are a little low.
Yeah, I put my butt on the line every day so the mayor can score with women.
Nice butt.
Kevin.
Easy there, detective.
What's up? How you doing?
I'm okay. How you doing?
Listen, they want us to go live shortly. Can you give us a soundbite or two?
Politicians, even the slick wonder back there, can make your career.
I'll make your dog pregnant.
How's my Tyler?
Hey, you look fine.
Okay.
You look fine.
All righty.
Sheila, you gotta learn to play with everybody now.
Political appointees are scum-sucking glory hounds that eat their young.
Continue their crackdown on quality of life crime citywide. Standing with me right now is Kevin O'Neill from the mayor's office.
No, you're wrong there. They're scum-sucking glory hounds who eat their young.
Well, I'm proud to be able to report, as is the mayor, that this initiative has been successful far beyond original estimates.
Besides, he's not so bad. I have an idea about school. Be in my office after shift change.
You were fast with those cuffs, sir.
There was a time I was faster and taller and thinner and had more hair.
You ain't so bad now.
Aren't.
Yo, you really ain't married yet?
Isn't. Aren't. Shut up.